Hi, this is Shelly from Frugal Family Home, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own vanilla cake mix recipe. It makes a moist, delicious cake that is so easy. So let's get started and I'll show you how. First, to a bowl, we're going to add flour, and then to the flour we'll add some sugar, and then we're going to add some baking powder, and one more ingredient is needed, just a little bit of salt. And then we're going to just whisk that with a whisk to mix it up really nice and well, get it all incorporated, and then we'll just have to bag it up. And I'm using a Ziploc bag with a printable label here, but you can use a quart size canning jar if you like. If you want the recipe for the cake mix and how to prepare it along with the printable tags, you can just click the link in the description or above. And then once the mix is in, you just fold down the top, seal it up, and that's it. That's all there is to making your own homemade vanilla cake mix recipe. To get the recipe, head on over to the blog at frugalfamilyhome.com. Thanks for watching.